Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Open Settings and tap your name to review iCloud storage details immediately. Look at the storage graph to see exact gigabytes used. Identify large backups, photos, and app data consuming gigabytes of space. Tap Backups and check device names and backup sizes. Review photos and messages to see media that uses many gigabytes. Decide which backups or apps you can delete to free several gigabytes and avoid monthly charges. Start by deleting unnecessary photos and videos to free hundreds or thousands of megabytes. Use the Photos app to remove duplicates and export originals to a computer. Disable messages in iCloud or delete large message attachments to save space immediately. Offload unused apps from settings to preserve data while removing the app. Disable auto backup for apps using excessive data to stop future storage growth and prevent backup photos and files to an external drive or alternative cloud like Google Photos or Dropbox. Export important files to a computer and verify integrity before deletion from iCloud. Consider sharing a 200 GB family plan if you need extra space with lower cost per person. Downgrade or cancel iCloud plans in settings to avoid recurring fees once you have alternative storage. Confirm all devices are set to the new backup method before removing iCloud data permanently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.